Hi and welcome to a 111 product review. Let's take a look at the Super SITEBOX from 111. Overall dimensions are 1525mm wide, a depth of 765, a height of 1168mm high, and a weight of 132.5 kilos. This is one of the larger sizes of the SITEBOXes available from 111. Built tough for Australian conditions and with a reputation for quality and durability out in the field. These SITEBOXes compact with features. On the inside you've got plenty of space. You also have two shelves that are welded in place to place all your tools and equipment. The flip door style allows you better access to the inside. Made from cold rolled steel and fully welded. This is powder coated yellow in a ripple finish that's UV stable and allows for better visibility on site. Large SITEBOXes are popular with tradespeople needing more secure storage space. Ideal for builders, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, farming, forestry, mining, construction, local government and much more. Looking for a particular size of SITEBOX? Contact 111 to see the complete range. If you'd like to know more about the product shown or any of the other products in the 111 range, please visit www.1-11.com.au.